Who says you need to spend a fortune to have an elegant dining setup? Today, I'm turning Dollar Tree finds into a high end dining experience and testing out some stylish kitchen organization ideas on a budget. Let's get into it. I'm so happy right now. I just came back from Dollar Tree and I found some amazing pieces to elevate my dining table and organize my kitchen. Let me show you what I got. Spring kitchen towel or spring towels as decorative touch. These will add a fresh softness, color, and seasonal pop to your kitchen. Look at it, so beautiful, well organized, so beautiful. And I love the purple and the pink. That is screaming spring. Wow, it even matches my outfit. Check it out. I love them. You can use them in the kitchen, the dining room, even outdoor. White cup with L monogram. Oh wow, a personalized touch for my tea station. I don't drink coffee, so it's my tea station. Okay, I've been searching for this L at Dollar Tree for a long time. Finally, I got it. I'm like, I am not letting go. I'm getting this L. And that was the last one, too. I'm like, what is going on with the L? Okay. So I got my L. It's really good. You can do so much with it. You can have your tea, you can have your coffee for some people. You can enjoy it. It's not heavy, it's a perfect weight. And once you have your tea in there, you're holding the cup. It's not like it's too hot for you to just drop it down, or you need something to hold it because it's too hot. No, it is good. The handle when you hold it is really good. So you don't have to worry about, oh wow, it's too hot. At this point, just relax and enjoy your tea. It's a beautiful cup. I love it. Very nice. Our next item is glass jars. Let's see which one seals better for keeping ingredients fresh. This is the first one, so let's check it out. This jar is a very nice jar. I like it. I like the shape. I really like the cover, the lid. It's really nice. It's really, to me, it looks really high end when you're gonna put it inside your pantry or your cabinet, wherever you're gonna put it. But is the seal tight enough to keep your um your spice fresh? I really like the jar, but it's not sealing properly. The top is not tight enough. So I had a little incident at Dollar Tree. Take a look. God, these are so beautiful. Look at that. Moving on. This is the next one, and I think that one is awesome. This one is a little bit different, but it's gonna serve a different purpose. And the first one is gonna be for spice, seasoning, and that one is gonna be for my baking goods, like little things like chocolate chips. When you put that in your pantry, it looks really good. It looks really high end. When I rearrange my pantry, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. It's gonna sit well in there. So that's the idea. So I'm gonna go back to Dollar Tree and I'm gonna get some more. I love the look. Nice, simple, very high end. Look at that. And I can't wait till I rearrange my pantry cabinet. Then I'll show you guys the look, the final look. Check this one out too. I'm gonna keep that one. I'm not worrying too much about the top. I will find a way to fix that problem. I love the way it looks in the cabinet, so it's a keeper. Clear glass plates, bowls, tall glasses. Wow, these are simple but elegant. I love that they're matched and give that restaurant style feel. Wow. And so perfect for an everyday look or for serving a fancy dinner. Now we're gonna make some iced tea to test the beautiful clear tall glasses. Isn't that wonderful? You can use this glass indoor or outdoor. I'm gonna enjoy mine. So hurry and get yours at Dollar Tree. 125. And that's it. A high-end dining setup and organized kitchen, all with Dollar Tree finds. Let me know in the comments which item was your favorite and how you would style these budget-friendly pieces. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification for more creative home and kitchen content. See you in the next video.